In this video, I will show you how to use Discord on your PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is load up your PS5 and log in with your account. Once you've done that, if you come up to the top, you want to press onto the gear icon to come into your settings. And then from here, just come down to users and accounts and press X on your controller. So from the screen, if you look a bit down the page, you've got this option here, which is for linked services. So what you want to do is come down to here, press right, and then press X onto Discord. So what you can now do is go ahead and link your Discord with your PS5. So you can see that by linking your Discord account, it lets your Discord friends see when you're online and what you're currently playing. It allows you to join a Discord voice chat using your PS5 and keep the conversation going. And you can also do things like manage features in Discord voice chat through your PS5, so things like the audio levels, muting and channel switching. So from here, all you need to do is press X on the link account button. Now go ahead and accept the terms of service. And now there's a couple of different ways that you can link your account. So what you can do is scan the QR code on screen with your mobile device, and that's going to take you across to the activation screen where you would enter the code displayed on screen. Or what you can do is use the PS5 browser, the inbuilt browser, and do it this way. So I'm currently doing this through my phone. So what I've done, I've gone ahead and scanned the QR code. It's going to give you an authorization page. So what you want to do is just scroll down to the bottom of this and press the blue authorize button. And as you can see, it says you're now all set up. Head over to a voice channel to try it out. So all you need to do is press close. And as you can see on the PS5, it says that I've linked my account. So that is how to go ahead and use Discord on your PS5. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.